This is my organization. Listen carefully, it's important topic. Now this is ICICI Bank. In the ICICI Bank, I have a couple of users. In the ICICI Bank, I have a couple of users. Who are these users? Employees of ICICI Bank who are working to support operations of ICICI Bank. Or else, let me say, right, these are the staff of ICICI Bank who are working to support the operations of ICICI Bank. These are the staff of ICICI Bank. When they are staff of ICICI Bank, where they log in? They will log into production and start working. All these people are called as what? Internal users. Now, ICICI Bank has taken the help of one third-party company to make a background verification. If anybody is applying for a loan, they want to check the address details of a corresponding customer. If anybody is applying for a loan, they want to verify whether the property is valid property or the address of the customer is valid or not. They want to take the help of one third party. So what happened? They gave a contract to one company called Capital Group. For the Capital Group, they gave a contract. What is it? Anybody is applying for a loan for the ICICI Bank. In the ICICI Bank, if anybody is applying for a loan, the details will be given to you. You verify it and submit the data. Okay. Similarly, we gave a contract to one third-party company. If anybody is not paying the loan, go there. Recovery. These are recovery team. So, are they employees of ICICI Bank? They are not the employees of ICICI Bank. They are not the employees. They are not the employees of ICICI Bank. Are you getting my point? So, who are they? They are partners to me. They are partners to me. Right. So, to make it more easier, I'll give one more format. Let us say, now we'll go with Amazon. Now, what Amazon is doing? Amazon is selling the products. Amazon is selling the products. Now, we have a lot of Amazon employees who are working, who will be supporting all the customers. Now, this is one of the company. Let us say this company is a Samsung company. Samsung company is putting these products on the Amazon, selling the products. Similarly, we have one more company. We have iPhone company, Apple company. What is Apple company is doing? This Apple company is also putting its products on Amazon, selling to the customers. Okay. Now, we also have another group of people. These are Blue Dot Korean. These people are from Blue Dot. What these people are doing? They are tied up with Amazon to deliver the products to the customers. Now, who are they? Are these people are employees of Amazon? Are they employees of the Amazon? They are not the employees of Amazon. They are partners to the Amazon. Right? So, who are these people? They are not employees of Amazon. Samsung is a partner to Amazon, but when you place an order, employee of Samsung will log in, put the data. I have a new stock. The employee of Apple will log in and say, I have an i8 released. Price is this much. The employee of Blue Dot will log in and say, product is delivered. This is the status of the product. So, who are they? They are the partners to me. Who are the partners? Samsung is a partner to me. Apple is a partner to me. Blue Dot is a partner to me. Employees of Samsung has to log into Salesforce, update the details about the Samsung. Employees of Apple has to log into the Salesforce, update the details about the Apple. So, who are those people? They are called external users. Who are those people? External users. I hope you are clear. I'll make it one more time. One more structure I'll give it to make it very clear. Now, this is a Renault Nissan showroom. It's a Nissan company. It's a Nissan company who manufactures the cars, who will sell it to the customers. Now, will the Renault Nissan directly sell the cars to customers? Will the Renault Nissan company who is manufacturing a car, will they directly sell it to the customer? They will not sell directly to the customer. What happened? They will have partners. They will have partners. If any customer directly approaches them, they will sell them. But most of the time, the sales will happen through what? Their partners. I'll give a franchise. Hyderabad franchise for Nissan showroom. Okay, I'll give all the models to you. You keep a showroom, sell it, I'll give you this much commission. Right? So what is that? I'm going to give you franchise of my brand. where you can have a showrooms on the name of my brand. You can sell the cars. For each sale, I am going to give this much commission. Right. So what happened? If anybody is approaching the Renault Nissan and I want a car, Renault Nissan will sell. But every time, every customer will have to send a mail to Renault Nissan or go to Chennai branch and say, I want a car. Nissan branch is in Chennai. Will everybody travel to Chennai to purchase a Tesla car? No, right? You go to the showroom and find out a car and you place. Because the showroom also getting the vehicle from where? Nissan. It's official franchise of Nissan showroom where the people are selling the cars. Are you getting my point? So who are those people? These are the staff of Renault Nissan who are helping the customers to purchase it. Now what happened? I am a Wipro company. I want 30 cars for my company. Then I will not go to showroom. I'll directly communicate with the company. Boss, I want 30 vehicles. What is the best price you can give? Now I want to purchase a car. As a single, I will not approach a company. I will go to any showroom, nearest showroom. I will purchase because I will find out who can give me better services. Always as a customer, what I do? If something happens to my vehicle, okay, it should be a doorstep. The service vendor should be at my doorstep. That's the reason always I prefer to go with the showrooms rather than going to the, dropping a mail to Nissan showroom. If I drop a mail to Nissan showroom, within 1 month they will send a vehicle to me. If I go to a showroom, within 1 week they will send a vehicle to me. Am I right? Are you getting my point? So what is happening here? Now, so Renault Nissan people, they gave franchise to a couple of people. So what they told? Boss, they told, they gave franchise. What are the franchise? Like say, Sabu Travels. Sabu. Then what is that? What is the other one? What is the other popular? Talwar, right? Talwar. These are the companies. These are the organization who has taken a franchise from the Renault Nissan. So what these people will do? Right. They are connected. Now, the staff of, whenever the customer comes to the showroom, now customer came to the showroom. When a customer comes to the showroom, what they will do? They will collect the details about this customer. They will collect the details about this customer and they will submit the data to Nissan. Boss, so the customer is booking an order for the Duster vehicle. These people are going to enter the data, submit to this. Then these people will approve the order, send the vehicle to the showroom, showroom will deliver. For each order, Renault Nissan company is giving some commission to the franchise people. Who are those people here? They are partners. What these partners are doing? They are keeping a showroom vehicles. They are giving a display of the vehicles, promoting the brand and selling the brand. Promoting the brand, selling the vehicles. When I want to sell the vehicles, then customer will come to me. They will collect the data. I will keep on calling the customer. Boss, come for a drive. Okay, come for a drive, test drive. Okay, we'll give you a loan. We'll give you this one. We'll give you following accessories as free of cost. I'll give you all publicity. Then finally, I'll take the order from the customer. When you give an order, I cannot give a vehicle. I have to upload this order data to the Renault Nissan showroom, Renault Nissan company website. Then they will approve it. Then product will be delivered within 10 days. Product will be delivered within 15 days. And I will be logging and tracking the status dispatchment of your product. Right? So where these people are logging in? They are logging to what? Communities. So for these people, I will give username, password. They will log into community, check how many vehicles are available. Stock is available at which position. Stock is available in which location. Because in this location, I need a Duster vehicle. Now in the Hyderabad location, I need a Duster vehicle. But these people in LB Nagar, they have one extra vehicle. There is also franchise. Then what the Nissan people will say? Boss, deliver the vehicle from LB Nagar to SR Nagar branch. They will sell it. Now I want a vehicle. Now I cannot send a vehicle from Chennai to SR Nagar. Now what the Nissan people will see? When you place an order, they will see where the stock is available. Okay, the stock is available. I'll ask boss, send the vehicle to SR Nagar branch. Are you getting a point? Because all this is centralized. But every distributor is logging to what? Only community. Every distributor is logging to what? Only communities. Are you getting a point? Are you clear? So partners, customers are going to log into what? Communities. Partners, customers log into what? Communities. Partners, customers will log into what? Communities. Are you clear about this? Clear? People are clear about this concept? Clear? Who are these people now? Yes, partner, external users. Who is a partner? Sabu is a partner. What? From Sabu company, this Ravi is a external user. Kiran is a external user. Paraj is a external user. So from Sabu company, these people are logging into community, entering the data. So who is that Ravi, Kiran, Paraj? External user. All these people are what? Internal user. Till now we work with what? Internal user. Now we are trying to start working with the external user. Are you clear about the context? People are clear? Clear? Okay. Now, for every internal user, there will be a profile, right? For every internal user, there is a profile. Similarly, for every external user, there will be a profile. For internal user, there is a profile. Similarly, for every external user, there is a profile. For every internal user, there is a profile. For every external user, there is a profile. Okay, what I'm going to do? Setup. If you are not followed, let me know. I can repeat. Setup. Administer. Manage users. Profiles. I'm going with the customer community login user. What is this? The customer community? ICICI customer. Then go to edit. Now, are you able to see any custom objects here? You are not able to see any custom object, right? You just created a profile, but you are not able to see any custom object. So what I am doing? Build, customize, communities, community settings, enable the community. Again, setup, build, customize, communities, community settings, enable the community. Check the availability. Is it available? Now we created ICC testing. Now create a new community. Now we enable a community, right? When you enable a community, once again go back to this profile. What is the profile we created? ICSA customer. Go to this. Now it is enabled. Are you getting my point? Previously they are not available. When you create a community, custom objects also will be available for community license. Okay. Then I told create, edit, delete. Which object should be displayed in the community? Right. So now let us go to the communities. How did you go to communities? Setup, build, customize, communities, all communities, new community, then choose Salesforce tab plus, choose the template, get started, choose the template, get started, then you are giving the name. Admin test. Give any name of your choice. Admin test. I'll repeat the entire procedure. Just follow the basic idea. Then what I'm doing? Administration. Administration. Members. All. What are you getting here? ICHA customer. Which profile? ICHA customer. Which profile can log into community? ICHA customer profile. Choose the profile who can log in. Tabs. which tab should be visible here? Customer, customer and acquire. Which tab should be visible? Branding, branding, color and combination. Login registration, Salesforce, username, password. Then go to settings. I'll do everything once again. Just follow the navigation. Then we activated a community. Then go to contact, new contact, Pramod, Satish Mala SFTC. Every contact should be associated with an account. The contact belongs to which account? Then a contact is created. Then what you are finding here? Manage external. Manage external customer. Then what happened? Automatically, with the contact details, we are getting one user. Pramod. Then what is the license video? Customer community. So what happened? Contact has become a what? User. Contact has become user. I'll do everything from beginning, just follow the structure. Welcome to Pramod at the rate of batch. Click on the link. Ask me to enter the password. He logged in. Who is this? Pramod. What is able to see? Customer. So it is a community, separate community, where they are logging in. Whatever the access, minimum access I want to give, I will give it. Here I will give only minimum level of access. They cannot see any setup menu. When you log in with a Salesforce license or a platform license, you are able to see force.com menu. I have been build setup. But here they don't see anything. Still, okay, only data they will be able to see. Only the data what you want to show, they will be visible here. I will do everything from beginning. I hope you got an idea. I will do everything from beginning now. Processing. Everything I'll do it from the beginning, processing. So everything I'm doing from beginning again. Right. I'll give it an organized structure now. Now this is a Nissan showroom. This is a Nissan company. This is a Nissan company. What they have done? They created setup, new account. Who is the account? Some Talwar Group. For Talwar Group, they have given a contract. Franchise they have given. For Talwar Group, they give a franchise. For Talwar Group, they give a franchise. So who is that account? Any person with whom I am doing a business is called account. So with whom I am doing a business? Talwar Group. Who are those Talwar Group? They are my partners. Who are the Talwar Groups? They are my partners. How they are partners? I am sending the vehicles to them. They are selling the vehicles. I am giving the commission. Right. So I give. Right. Who is the owner of the Talwar Group? Now every record will have one owner. Every record will have owner. So who is that Ramesh? Who is that Ramesh? Ramesh I told. Who is the Ramesh? Ramesh is some VP sales. Ramesh is some VP sales. Right. So Ramesh created a group called Talwar Group. For this Talwar Group, if the Talwar Group people want to talk to you, how do they talk? Some employees from Talwar Group will talk to you. Talwar Group is a company. Company cannot make a call. Somebody from the company will make a call. So Talwar Group is a partner to me. Right? On the behalf of Talwar Group, who will communicate with me? Their what? Their what? Contacts. So who are the contacts? Naresh Narotla, he belongs to Talwar Group. Naresh Narotla is an employee of Talwar Group. He's a contact on behalf of Talwar Group. Naresh is talking to me and is sending the orders. From Talwar Group, who is taking the orders? Naresh is taking the orders, he is talking to me and placing the orders. So from the Talwar Group, who is talking? Naresh is talking to me. Anything that the company needs or anything that the company want to place an order, who is placing? Naresh. So who is the Naresh? Contact of Talwar Group. Are you clear? Who is the Talwar Group? Account. Talwar is an account, Naresh is a contact. Are you clear? Fine. Right now, are you finding any option called enable manage external users? You are not finding. Why? Why you are not finding? Because I have not created any committees. I have not created any committees. How to enable the committee now? For all the people of Talwar Group, one more employee is there. Look at the point. Account. Now I give some true value. True value company. They are also communicating with me. They are also selling my vehicles. They are also selling my vehicles. From the true value company, who is the contact? From true value company, who is the contact? Anvesh is the contact. Right, boss? So company, the corresponding contacts. Company is corresponding contacts. So every day what these people are doing, they're making a call to me and telling, boss, we want to place one order, we want to book one order. So I'm finding it difficult. So I don't want to have a telephonic conversation. I want to build one site for them, ask them to log into the site, place the orders, whatever they want, track the details about the order, what they placed. So don't make a call to me every time. I'm giving a website to you, I'm giving the username password, you log in there, whatever you want, you place an order, and whatever you place it, you track the status of the order. For this, they made a site. What is the site called? Communities. What is the site called? Communities. How to create the communities? Set up, build, customize communities, enable the communities. What is this? Create some name for the community. So enable the community, create the community. Then what should I do? Who can log into this community? I have to create some profiles. Set up, administer, manage users, profiles, new profile, customer community user. What is it? For all the distributors, I created one profile. So this profile people can access what? I told they can access the information about a course, customer, they can access the customer, employees, loans. These are the objects what they can access. I selected which objects they can access. Okay. Now I want to create a community. How do you create a community? Set up, build, customize. We have communities, all communities, new community. All communities, new community. Choose the template. Distributor community. Now what are you getting here? Then they're asking members. Who can log in? Now we created a distributor committee, right? Only distributor profile people can log into this committee. Which objects they want to show? I want to show customer, employee, payments, branding. What is the branding style you want to give? Some style you are giving. Login and registration. How you want the people to log in? With the Salesforce username. Right. Then go to settings. Now community is created and activated. Now I want to create a community user. How do you create a community user? Go to contacts. Go to contacts. Nadesh. Then what you are getting the option? Manage. So automatically what happened? With Nadesh name, one user is created. Nadesh. Then what are the license we give? Community, customer community, login. This user, you got a link. Nadesh got a link. Click on it. Once they log in, he was able to see the corresponding customer object, employee object, payment object. What are the permissions you are giving? Generally, we place what? Products information, prices, orders, invoices, cases. Whatever the data that you want to let the people to access or whatever the data they want to create, only those objects are going to get. Can they modify any permissions here? They cannot modify. They can only create or view the data which is available. They can only create or view the data which is available. Are you clear about this context? Are you clear about this context? So if you want your partners or distributors to log in and access the data, we go for creation of community. Is that what's clear? Now who are these people called? External users. Who are those people called? External users. I hope you are clear. People got the concept. People got the concept, right? This is a cheaper license because they don't need any codes.com. They don't need any options. They simply need to access the data what you are showing, or they simply need to create the data as per the requirement, like a placing an order, requesting for a service, tracking the status of the order, whatever the service they want to give, like insurance company. Now, insurance company will give franchise to number of people. The people will log into their franchise organization. They enter the customer data. This customer want to take the following policy. They will track what are the premiums I have to pay this month. Are you getting my point? So these communities are suitable for whom? These communities are suitable for whom? For the partners and customers. There's still a lot of topic is there. Right. I hope you are clear. People are clear till now. Anyone has any query as of now? Clear for everyone? Yes.
Have like say ICICI Bank or Axis Bank, they offer offering online.
Yes.
It is very similar to that.
Yes, exactly. So in your case, it's just like your vendorship. In your case, like a Flipkart, now you are a vendor, you are logging and uploading the data about what are the products you want to sell. So they are given username password for you. You are logged in, you are placing this product is available, stock is this much, price is this much, discount is this much. Where you are logging in? You are logging like a partner. You are logging like a partner. So you are, yeah. So they created a community for you. Now you people will not be accessing the application of Amazon. You are only accessing the Amazon portal. You are only accessing the Flipkart portal, uploading your data. Now your data will be tracked by somebody at the end. Okay. So everyone has got the idea? You have got the idea? Still any query from your end? Still any query? అర్థమైతే అర్థమని చెప్పండి లేదంటే లేదని చెప్పండి మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను ఓకే సో if you keep you static expressions. I don't know face reading. Right. So people have followed or not? Sure. Got up. Right. Okay. Now let me extend this. Followed. Everyone is followed, right? Now let me give you. Now sometimes I want to give a self-registration. I want to give a self-registration. Every time I don't want the admin people to create. People can see sign up and sign in. So people can click on sign up and create their own accounts. So I want a self-registration for the people. If you want to go for a self-registration, what I will do? Go to community. Once again, go to the communities. Communities. All communities. Administration. You'll find here login and registration. When you go to login and registration, you'll find here allow external user access. Allow external users self-registration. People can make a self-registration. If anybody is registering self-registration, what is the profile you want to give? If it is a administrator is creating, I can select which profile should I give. But if anybody is making a self-registration, which profile I have to give? To which account they belongs to? Because every community user should be a contact of an account. Every community user should be a contact of any account. For this account, you are a contact, you are an external user. Contact will become an external user. So if I want to create any external user, he has to be a contact for an account. Every community user is a contact for a account. Go back to this on group. Now what we got here? Refresh. Now we got an option called previously it is not there. When you just sign up, so I'm giving here the username. Now what happened? I made a self-registration. So what happened? User logged in, he was able to see. Are you clear about this? So what was this called? Self-registration. Where in the community there is an option. Allow users to make a self-registration. The people can click on sign up and make self-registration. If the people are making a self-registration, which profile I have to give? To which account they should belong, I have to identify. Okay. So every community user is a contact for an account. Every community user is a contact for an account. Every community user is a contact for an account. Every community user is a contact for an account. I hope you are clear. Right. So shall we do one more community? Right. I'll do one more time. From beginning I'll do one more time. Let us see. You still got any queries? Get them clarified. I will do everything from beginning again. First I will learn. Right. So how you do it now? Let us see. Setup, build, customize, communities, all communities, new community, choose a template, customer portal, customer portal. Then they're asking which profiles can log in. They're asking which profiles can log in. Numbers. I told distributor which profiles can log in. You can create multiple number of profiles. Which profiles can log in? Which tabs should be visible? Which objects are tabs? I told accounts, branches, courses. These are the tabs which should be visible. Then branding. What is the color and style? You want to apply any color and style? Apply any style. You go with that. Login and registration. Now you want the people to log in with Salesforce username password, or if any internal user log in, should they directly log into the community? I told yes. If anybody log in, internal user log into the Salesforce, automatically community also will be logging in. Okay. Then how the community users will log in? With the username password. Do you want to give self-registration? Allow external users to go for self-registration? Yes. If they make a self-registration, what is the profile? To which account they belongs to? Right, boss? I hope everything is clear. Then settings. Then what should I do? Create one contact for an account. Create a contact for an account. What is the contact I created? Anvation. Then I should go with the manage. This contact should be associated with any one of the account. Contact of an account. Boss, you are a contact for this account. We are giving a username password for you. So what happened? Manage external user. Customer community login. See. Then you'll get a activation link. Login. People will log in, access the content, whatever I have given. Is that was clear for everyone? People have followed, right? So all your internal users will log into production. All your partners and distributors will log into communities. People have followed. People have followed. Sure. Comfortable with this one? Creation is clear. Clear, ma? No, this URL I am going to give. See, if you want to log into your Google, if you want to see my Google Drive, I should give my URL, then only you will be able to log in. Let us say I want to give my GoToMeeting. You want to join my GoToMeeting section. What should I give? Unless I give this link, you will not be able to log in. This is URL of my meeting. Similarly, for a portal, there will be URL. So what will be doing? If you don't want to give this, you want to give a website. And the website you want to give customer login. So there is a website. Okay, that website, when you click on this, this will automatically open the username password. See, I will show you Salesforce portal on the website. Morgan Stanley. This is a wealth management organization. They are using Salesforce. Yeah, they can be related to same account, no problem. Now this is a website, morganstanley.com. But internally they connected with the page with the Salesforce. Now look at this, client login. Morgan Stanley online, client login. When I say backend, what they done? Login.Morgan Stanley. It's a Salesforce. What is this page? Salesforce page. So they'll embed the page with this one. So when you enter the data, once I enter my username password, then the Salesforce page will open. Right? Got it? Got it? What my point? Clear for everyone. So backend in the if you want a customer to log in, there should be some medium through which the customer will log in. Now I have a website of my company. When I have my website of my company, now all my if my employees want to apply for a leave, or if my employees want to go for anything, now I am going to give the connection here. There is external. When you log in from internal community, you will be getting an extra option. My employees, when you log in from my company IP addresses, you will be getting an extra option here. Employee login. So we given a login from only my internal portal. So when they get the login, they click the login, they will be able to see the task what I sent to them today, and any internal materials or anything they want to access, they will be seeing. Right. So every time I cannot send to my employee, go with login.salesforce.com login. So I have to give for customer, it's not be login.salesforce.com. I'm not promoting Salesforce. I'm promoting my company. For customer, I will not say login.salesforce.com. I have to say login.capitalinfo.com. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? I cannot say login.salesforce.com. I have to say login.capitalinfo.com. So I have to create my own domain name. But backend will be Salesforce. I told you, simple example. You are using satishmala.in. Now it is backend is Salesforce. All your database I am storing within my Salesforce organization only. But front end, if I give login.salesforce.com, what is the use of promoting Salesforce for me? I have to promote my name. I will not promote Salesforce. Salesforce will not give any share for me. So I give, by instead of giving the Salesforce access, I give what? satishmala.in. When you click on it, backend will be entire data I am storing in the Salesforce. Getting my point? So the front end URL will be different, back end. So no, all my employees are very well known about Salesforce. Ask them login.salesforce.com. Getting my point? As a customer, you don't expect me to know Salesforce. They will know only your company name. So they have a button called login or customer login, through which they log in. Okay? Website to login access. Any further queries from your end? Any further queries from your end? I hope everybody received the information. There is an extension. Still, we are not done with this. There is an extension. We will continue this extension tomorrow. You got the purpose of communities. So, who will log into the community? Tell me. Your partners are customer. Any company will sell the directly. Will they have the sales? Now, let's say I am a Accenture company. Fine. Now, so what we will be repeating an example tomorrow. You get that point first. Okay. I logged out of it. Now, what was this? Now I am a Accenture. When I am a Accenture, when I have final recruitment and vacancies, all the HRs in the Accenture only make a call to every customer. Okay, client and was come for entry. No, right? So what they have? Accenture will have some partners, consulting partners. Now all the vacancies will be uploaded to the portal. The partners will log in the portal and see what all the vacancies are available. They will work on it, upload the candidates resumes to the portal through which they communicate. Right? So what is that? Now company for their consulting partners, they are giving information on what? Community. The partners will be logged into the portal. They'll see what all the vacancies are there. They'll work on it, upload the profiles, and track the status of the interview. Whether candidate is selected or not selected, they track the status of it. Right? Are you getting my point here? Okay. Next up, you are going for a Amazon. When you go for Amazon, you place an order. How do you know the status of the order? You are going for a big basket. You log in and place some order. Now you want to check the status of your order. What do we do? You log in as a customer. Now all your orders will be tracked in the centralized database. When the employees of Amazon, employees of big basket will be working. But for you, you require a medium through which you can interact with the people. What is that medium? Communities. What is that medium? Communities. You are using a Gmail. What is that? Gmail and Facebook. What is that? Portal. It's a portal through which you are sharing your data. The entire data is stored at the back. So any issues are there, security issues are there, the Facebook people will interact with you. But you want to post any information or like anything, you can make a self-service. It's a portal. Are you clear? So it is a medium to interact. The medium of interaction between the organization and customers or partners. You want let your customers to make a self-service. You want the partners to make a self-service. The medium is communities. I hope I'm clear. Clear? Use some expression, boss. I'm finding very hard to. Clear? Right. From tomorrow I'll give a candy out. Respond. Right. चलो, right. Continue tomorrow.